Welcome back to Recycled and Saved. We've got a 2014 KX450 in really decent shape. It's got some cool lethal injection graphics that are really nicely done. Decent tires, back looks almost brand new, front looks pretty good yet. Pro Action suspension, it's got stickers front and back, so it must have been Pro Action tuned. The racer sold it to a kid that I bought it from, who just bought this as his first bike, decided it was way too much for him, and now he's dropping down to a 250. So we don't have a need for a 450 right now around here. If you need any parts off of it, let us know what you're looking for. Let me fire it up here. I ran it a nice little test ride, ran through the gears well, everything worked. Everything worked well, shifted well, sounds good, idles well. Let me get it fired up here. So if you need parts for your KX250 or 450, I think there's a lot of stuff that transfers over. This is a 2014, so I'll have a comparative. If you need parts, check our eBay spot or our Facebook, or get a hold of me down below by texting. Make sure you subscribe down below to see what else we're taking apart. Hopefully we can get you some low-cost parts to keep riding with us. And it's a beautiful day here in Wisconsin, so we're going riding. Thanks for watching.